I would use the three words integrity, friendly, and honest. I've always been a little nervous about getting a car fixed because getting cars fixed is like a man's world. Being a woman or even a single woman that has to take care of it by yourself also can be overwhelming. I'm a professional and I want them to be a professional, and I want them to just explain things to me and be honest and be upfront about what needs to happen. And I've appreciated that because I have to rely on that this is their thing. This is what they do every day. I like that I can take their word for it. I appreciate that they show the pictures of things. They also send a video on my phone of the different things that they're looking at. I like the paper printouts that they give, and they kind of put it in like a ladder order. It does make it easier to know what I want to do first. So then I know, hey, this needs to be done next. So when I come in, I'm like, all right, oil change, and will you work on this? What makes it easier is if I can't stay and wait, they Uber me home, and I really like that. And they'll Uber and pick me up. It's great. They treat me like family. When I come in, I'm always surprised that they know my name and they know my daughter's name. I would recommend Steve's Automotive Specialist to people, and I actually do. Steve's Automotive Specialist makes car care easy for me.